Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use JumpTask in HoneyGain. First, you'll need to switch your payout mode within the HoneyGain dashboard. This integration allows you to earn Jump tokens, or JMPT, which is a cryptocurrency. By choosing JumpTask, you automatically receive a 10% bonus on all your earnings, making your efforts more rewarding. It's a straightforward process that enhances your earning potential significantly. To begin earning with JumpTask, you'll need to connect a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. MetaMask is a widely used and highly recommended choice for its ease of use and security features. Make sure your chosen wallet is properly configured to the Binance Smart Chain network, as JMPT operates on this blockchain. This connection is crucial for securely receiving and managing your earned Jump tokens, ensuring a smooth payout experience. Once your wallet is connected, you can start earning Jump tokens simply by sharing your internet bandwidth through the HoneyGain application. Remember, all earnings processed through JumpTask automatically come with a generous 10% bonus, boosting your income. Beyond passive sharing, keep an eye out for various activities and tasks offered directly by JumpTask, which can provide even more opportunities to accumulate JMPT. Consistent engagement is key to maximizing your earnings. Withdrawing your earned Jump tokens is incredibly flexible and user-friendly. Unlike traditional payout methods, JumpTask has no minimum withdrawal threshold, meaning you can transfer your JMPT to your connected crypto wallet whenever you wish. These transactions are usually processed very quickly, often within just a few minutes, giving you immediate access to your funds. Once in your wallet, you have the freedom to swap your JMPT for other cryptocurrencies, or even convert them to fiat currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.